Hey YouTube fam and pilots, welcome back to my channel. This is Madman216 FPV here on a beautiful Sunday afternoon in Cleveland, Ohio. I'm coming to you from my favorite spot to rip, Hurricane Alley. Today's video we're going to go over ripping with the 7-inch long-range drone. I'm going to just do with that drone what it's not really meant to do, and I'm gonna just flip and flop it around and do some craziness. You know, it's meant for nice sky cruising, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on its side a little bit here. But yeah, man, I'm sporting the pug shirt today. That's my good luck charm. Pugs are the greatest dogs ever. Check them out when you get a chance. But yeah, Madman216 FPV approve for the pug. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and fire this bad boy up, put the GoPro on it, and but before then I'm going to take a couple clips of it, just basically powering up and just giving you an idea how mean this thing sounds. I didn't get to do that on my first lazy FPV flight with it here, but this time, yeah, it just sounds unworldly. It's a really cool sound. But yeah, without further ado, let's rip. All right, guys, so on this pass, I went ahead and tilted the GoPro and the main camera back a few degrees so I can get a little bit of a better perspective when I'm coming out of these moves instead of looking straight at the ground. But yeah, here goes pass number 2. All right, pilots, yeah, the second flight on the long range got kind of cut a little short there. When I brought it in nice and safely, I went ahead and checked and my GoPro was totally powered down. I'm like, oh, great, you know, but yeah, it turns out that I have a bad battery. That last pass right before the final roll and drop to landing totally cut out. So I'll go ahead and put together what I have and hope you enjoy it. But yeah, just technicality stuff. I'll just get the new battery, like I said, and keep doing this thing. I'm going to look to getting a Hero 10 to put that on my long range and get some other really cool footage all around here. But it's the brakes, man. Equipment is equipment. But yeah, I hope you enjoy what I put together, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a good one.